Question 5 says simplify 1 all over square root of 6 times square root of 6 divided by 3. Option A, we have 1 over 3. B, we have root 6 over 3. C, we have 1 over root 6. And D, we have 6 over 3. Solution. Let's solve this question together. What we need to do is to multiply both the numerator and the denominator together. It means the two numerators will multiply themselves and the two denominators will multiply themselves. If we do that, we have 1 all over root 6 times root 6 over 3 is equal to, these two multiply themselves. We have 1 times root 6 divided by root 6 times 3. This will give us 1 times root 6 will give us 1 root 6 divided by root 6 times 3 will give us 3 root 6. If you observe, both the numerator and denominator have root 6, so they cancel out. We're left with what? 1 over 3, which is equal to 1 over 3. Therefore, the correct option here is option A, 1 over 3. Question 6 says equation of circle with center 2 and minus 1. They also give us radius to be 3. Option A, we have x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 9. Option B, we have x plus 2 all squared plus y minus 1 all squared is equal to 9. C, we have x minus 2 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 6. And option D, we have x minus 2 all squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 9. Now, the standard formula for the equation of circle of a circle, it's r cube is equal to x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared, where h here is the first value here. This is our h and this is our what? K. If we substitute this to this equation, 3 here is our radius. If we substitute this to this equation, we have that the radius 3 raised to power 3 is equal to x minus our h here is 2 all squared plus our y here minus k. K from the question is minus 1, so we have minus 1 all to power 2. 3 raised to power 3 gives us 9 is equal to x minus 2 squared plus y minus times minus gives us plus 1 all squared. So this is the correct equation. From the options here, we have option A to be correct. X minus 2 all squared plus y plus 1 all squared is equal to 9. So this is the correct answer. Question 7 says, how many 4-letter arrangements from the letters of math? How many 4-letter arrangements from the letter of math with no repetition? Option A, we have 4, B, 12, C, we have 24, and D, we have 256. So solution, in the word math, we have 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of permutation here is what? 4. Number of permutation is equal to 4 factorial. 4 factorial it's the same thing as 4 times 3 factorial. Yet 3 factorial here is the same thing as 3 times 2 factorial. 2 factorial here is the same thing as 2 times 1. So when we have 4 factorial here, if you express it in this format, you're correct. If you also express it in this format, 4 factorial is equal to 4 times. Since 3 factorial is 3 times 2 factorial, and 2 factorial is 2 times 1, we can also express it in this format, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 gives us what? 12. 12 times 2 gives us 24. 24 times 1, we have 24. Therefore, the correct answer here is option C, 24. Question 8 says, solve this equation. Log x base 2 is equal to 5. Log x base 2 is equal to 5. Option A, we have 10. Option B, 32. Option C, 25. And option D, we have 1 over 32. The question says, log x to base 2 is equal to 5. Recall the law of logarithm that says log m base n equal to p. This implies that p is equal to n to power p. If we substitute this into this equation, it means log x base 2 equal 5 is equal to which is 2 multiplying itself 5 times. You have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 gives us 4. 4 times 2 gives 8. 8 times 2 we have 16, and 16 times 2 we have 32. Therefore, the value of x here is what? 32. Question 9 says, if matrix A is equal to this, what is the determinant of A? Option A, we have 5. B, we have 5 minus 3 equal to 5. C, we have 2 times 4 minus 3 times 1. And option D, we have all of the above. They are equivalent. So let's solve this question together. We have that the determinant of a matrix, let's say the matrix is A, equal A, B, C, and D. We have that the determinant of this matrix is equal to A, D minus C, B, which means this times this minus this times this. Kind of cross multiply. This times this minus this times this. That's what the determinant of it. So in this question, we have that our A here, A is equal to what? 2. B is equal to 3. C is equal to 1. And D is equal to 4. If we substitute it into this equation, if we compute it, we have that the determinant of A is equal to AD. AD here is this times this, and our A is what? 2. So we have 2 times 4 minus BC. Our B here is 1 and our C is 3. So we have 1 times 3. This gives us 2 times 4 is what? 8 minus 1 times 3 gives us 3. 8 minus 3, we have 5. That is the determinant of this matrix A. So we come here, the correct option, it's 5. But we don't need to be in a haste to pick 5. You notice that both 8 minus 3 gives us 5, and 2 times 4 minus 3 times 1 will still give us 5. So the correct option here is option Z. All of the above, they are all equivalent. So this is the correct answer here. Question 10 says differentiate y is equal to 3x cubed minus 4x plus 7. Option A, we have 3x squared minus 4. Option B, we have 3x squared minus 4x. Option C, we have x squared minus 4. And option D, we have 3x squared. Now, this equation, to differentiate it, we need to do it singly. We have d over x for x raised to power 3 will give us, if we differentiate this with respect to x, we have that this 3 here, the power comes down, we have 3x, the power minus 1, which is 3 minus 1. This will give us 3x, 3 minus 1 gives us 2. Don't forget, the shortcut here is n raised to n minus 1. N times x raised to power n minus 1, where n here is the power. That's what we did here. We have n here, the power, which is 3. 3 times x, 3x, the power minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2. So we have this for this first term. When we differentiate the second term, we have d over the x for minus 4x. This will give us, if we use the same format here, the power here is what? 1. So we have 1 times minus 4x, we have minus 4, the power minus 1. X, the power is 1, 1 minus 1, we have 0. We have minus 4 times x raised to power 0. From law of indices, anything raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So we have minus 4 times 1. Minus 4 times 1 is equal to minus 4. So we have differentiated this second term, and this is what we have, minus 4. If we differentiate the third term now, we have d over the x for 7 is equal to what? 0. When you differentiate the constant, you have 0. And here we have 3x squared minus 4 plus 0. Here we have what? 3x squared minus 4 plus 0. This will give us 3x squared minus 4. Minus 4 plus 0 is the same thing, so this is our final answer. The correct option here is option A, 3x squared minus 4.